Hi, this is foreclosure defense attorney and legal blogger Roy Oppenheim. I want just to give you all a very quick overview of what's been going on in the last few weeks concerning the foreclosure fraud crisis here in Florida and really elsewhere in the United States. It's rather unbelievable that in a matter of just a few short weeks we could see real estate law that typically moves at a glacial pace all of a sudden start to change and move almost at lightning or the speed of light. And what we're now seeing is actually a change in the playing field, where up until now, for the most part, most members of the judiciary were not taking foreclosure defense attorneys and homeowners seriously, that there was systematic fraud going on in the foreclosure prosecution process by the largest institutions, the largest banks in the United States, as well as government-operated financial institutions like Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and even the FDIC. What has now happened is through appellate rulings and through just this public outcry, we are seeing judges slowly, one by one, acknowledging that they need more time, they need to review the files more carefully and start to determine whether or not fraud has been involved with any particular case. So here in Florida, we have rulings now that make it very clear and are instructing the judges that they cannot willy-nilly continue to issue summary judgments without first reviewing the file when there are clearly legitimate, legal, constitutional objections to the file. And this past week, we've had remarkable results ourselves. We commend those judges who finally have recognized what their constitutional oath of office is, what their obligations are to the people of this country. And I am hopeful that we are starting to see a situation where the tide is turning and the playing field is level, and that where in fact the banks have committed crimes, committed wrongdoing, have violated the constitutional rights of Americans, that in fact we're going to see legal redress through the legal system in the United States. I am proud to be a lawyer, I am proud to represent my clients, and I thank you all for the confidence and faith in our law firm. Have a great weekend. And again, I'm Roy Oppenheim from the trenches. Have a good weekend.